In my book specifically for single women, which you can click the link down below to buy, I said the following. If you are a single woman sitting there waiting for someone to come and rescue you and attach himself to the other half of your body so that he can complete you, then you are setting yourself up for disappointment. That is too much of a responsibility for one person, and the same can go if another person is asking you to complete him. Do you really want the sole responsibility of making someone else whole? If that is the case, then you are being codependent, and that's not healthy. You would literally have to pour into that person day in and day out, and the moment that you do not have anything else to give or you need some time to yourself, then everything is going to hit the fan because he needs you and you need him, and no one has any sort of self-regulation. And as a mental health person, I may have used a word that you're not familiar with, so let me define self-regulation. In short, self-regulation means that you are you and you have the ability to control yourself, your behavior, and your actions without the influence of other people. Depending on someone else to complete you is the complete opposite of having good self-regulation. Mom.com, shop my store to see all of my products, and there you will see my book specifically for single women. Pick yours up today.